Hey everybody, Vince here with Borderview Lodge on beautiful Lake of the Woods. Hey, we're coming at you a little different angle this week, giving you a little scoop on what goes on in the inside operations of Borderview Lodge versus us showing you the guides and shoveling snow and catching fish. Here at Borderview Lodge, we've got something special. We've got an absolute outstanding housekeeping department that keeps your cabins very clean. We've got a great maintenance team. We've got an absolutely outstanding serving staff here at Borderview Lodge. In our restaurant, our cooks are top-notch. We have got between 12 and 16 guides that are working on the ice daily that service everything from wheelhouses to your sleeper to your day house. Our guides will check on you daily to make sure that you guys are getting what you need. If you need help, we are there to help. What sets us apart at Borderview Lodge, I believe, is the customer service. From the moment you check into the front desk until the moment you check out at that front desk, we want to ensure that your stay is absolutely perfect, because we know you're spending money to go on a great vacation and you want to experience that greatness. Right now we're out around 12 miles. Ice thickness is well over 2 feet. We have no restrictions, so you can bring up any size wheelhouse, pickup truck. One nice thing about Borderview Lodge is you can actually drive your own vehicle right out to your fish house, your cabin, into your truck, out to the fish house, and you can come back and forth as you need. You've got that ability to come and go as you please. One other great feature that we offer here at Borderview Lodge is heated bathrooms. Where else can you go on the lake when it's 20 or 30 below and experience a warm toilet seat? If you have not yet booked your winter ice fishing reservation yet, give us a call here at Borderview Lodge. You will absolutely experience the premier resort on Lake of the Woods.